Good morning friends. Welcome to Parnika's Tutorials YouTube channel. In the last video, I have discussed how to construct the binary tree from the in-order traversal and the pre-order traversal. I hope you have watched that video. If you did not watch that video or if you don't know that concept, I request you to go back and watch the previous video and come back this video so that you will understand the concepts in a better way. In this video, I want to discuss how to construct the binary tree from the given in-order traversal and the post-order traversal. So, they have given the in-order traversal as D, B, E, A, F, C, G. And the post-order traversal is D, E, B, F, G, C, A. And they are asking us to construct the binary tree and find the pre-order traversal. Now, what is the in-order traversal? In the in-order traversal, first I will visit the left subtree, then the root, then the right subtree. Whereas the post-order traversal, first I will visit the left, then right, then the root. So, if you look at in the post-order traversal, the root will be there in the last position. Am I right or wrong? Whereas the in-order traversal, the root will be there in the center because left, root, then right. So, when we are discussing about the pre-order traversal as the root, then left, then right, we have started traversing from left to right. Whereas when we are discussing about the post-order traversal, the root is at the last. So, this is the root. Okay, so you need to traverse the post-order traversal from the given question from right to left. So, this is the root. So, check where is the A is there in the in-order traversal. This is the A. So, if A is the root, then these elements D, B, E will fall in the left subtree and A, F, C, G will fall in the right subtree. So, A is the root and the elements such as D, B, E will, this is D, okay, will fall in the left subtree. The elements such as F, C, G will fall in the right subtree because the root is at the center and you have the left and you have the right. Now, you have to visit the C. Where is C? C is here. So, now C is the root, okay. And then the elements such as F will fall in the left subtree, the element G will fall in the right subtree. So, C is the root node. So, the elements to the left of C will fall in the left subtree, the elements right to the C will fall in the right subtree. So, you can erase this one and you can say that C is the parent of F and G, okay. Now, next is the G, okay. G is there here. To the left of G, there is no elements. To the right of G, there is no elements. So, you can say that G is the leaf node, okay. Then you need to visit the F. F is here. To the left of F, there is no elements. To the right of F, there is no elements. So, again, you can say this as a leaf node. In shortcut, I am writing it as LN. Now, next is B. So, find out where is B. B is here. So, B is the parent, okay. To the left of B, you have an element called D. So, it will fall to the left subtree. To the right of B, you have an element called E. So, it will fall in the right subtree. So, for this one, B is the parent, okay. So, we constructed the binary tree. Look at, so if you have a doubt, you can check it. B we have done. Now, E is here. To the left of E, there is no elements. To the right of E, there is no elements. So, again, E is the leaf node. Then D. To the left of D, there is no elements. To the right of D, there is no elements. So, again, D is acting as a leaf node. So, we have constructed the binary tree from the given in-order traversal and the post-order traversal. Now, I need to find the pre-order traversal from the constructed binary tree. What is the pre-order traversal? First the root, then left, then right. Okay, so to make it the process easy, let me write this as a step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3. Okay, at each node you can write it as 1 2 3, so that easily you can construct the pre-ordered traversal from this given binary tree. Okay, or the constructed binary tree. Okay, so now you need to start from the A, which is a root node. So what is the step 1? Root. So you need to display this value. So value here it is A. Step 1 is completed. What is the step 2? Visit the left subtree. Am I right? So you will come here. Now again execute the step 1 at the node B, which is display the value. So B, you are displaying the value called B. Then you need to execute the step 2. So need to visit the left subtree. Left subtree is this one. So again at here you need to execute the step 1. What is it? Display the value. So D. Are you able to understand? Then 2 is what? Visit the left subtree. As D is the leaf node, so it does not have the left subtree and it does not have the right subtree. Am I right or wrong? So which is null. So this will return the values null. So no problem. So you will come back here. Now you need to execute the step 3. So you will come here because at B you have completed executing step 1, step 2. Now you are coming back to, from D you are coming back to B. Now you need to execute step 3. So visit the right of it. So right is this one. Again execute the step 1, which is printing the value. So E will be printed. Then 2, to the left of it there is no elements, to the right of it there is no elements. So 2 and 3 will be completed, and then you will visit back here. Now you have completed step 1, step 2, step 3 at node B. So you will come back to node A. You have completed the step 1, step 2 at node A. Now you need to do the step 3. So you will, step 3 is what? Visit the right subtree. So you will come here. Again execute the step 1 here. What is it? Print the value. So you will print the value called C. Now what is the step 2? Visit the left subtree. So you will come here. Again execute the step 1. So you will print the value F. Execute the step 2. What is it? Left subtree. There is no left child for the F element. So it will return the value null. Then again write null. Okay, so you will come back here. Now you need to execute the step 3. Step 3 is what? Visit the right node. So you are coming here to the G. So you execute the step 1. So you will get the value G. Okay, step 2 means the null left child is not there, so it will be null. So it will be written. Then you will execute the step 3. Again the right child is null, so it will be written. Step 2 and step 3 is completed. You will come back here. Okay, now you have executed step 1, step 2, step 3. You will come back here. Again you have executed step 1, step 2, step 3. So this is the pre-ordered traversal from the given or constructed binary tree. So I hope with this example you have understood how to construct the binary tree from the given in-order traversal and the post-order traversal. After constructing the binary tree, how can we find the pre-order traversal? If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.